waiting for a sell signal here on Luna. What do we have here? Great gains on Luna. $116% in just a few days. Ethereum's moving stronger than Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a strong sell signal. There's barely any profit made on that trade there. Let me see. Buy here, sell here. ALGO made a quick decision. This thing is always right. Buy all the way down here. Sell all the way up here. That is a 25% profit in a day. That first pump was nice. Ethereum put in just a 13 until that sell. These are short term for traders that trade all day long. Don't be too concerned with the sells. It just means the price is going down enough for you to make a small profit by trading in a more efficient way than Coinbase. You need KuCoin for something like that. Look at that, 37% in 6 days for Ethereum. And ETH was up 51% in 12 days. Quite a relief rally. But I am carefully watching a couple of my small caps, waiting for that buy signal. Waiting for that buy signal or the sell signal on ANKR. Did not get a sell signal on ANKR yet. ANKR's a great protocol. 20% APY guaranteed forever. Elon, new cryptocurrency, has a buy signal. Even though it is in the red at the moment, or even. That's up a couple percent. That's actually probably more than we think because such a low market cap. Yeah, that's a 10% move. And actually, that's a 30% move in 4 hours. And then it came back down to its original price of the buy. I'm surprised that was not the sell. This buy right here in the sell. But before this point, something else was going on with the Elon coin. Because look at the the flat trading. It just doesn't make any sense. See that? Okay. It was fine. When did it start? It started on April 21st. Little more than 3 months ago. So this was a great one here. Look at this. Buy signal, sell signal at a 441% profit in 2 days. That was the initial pump that coins typically get. And then some sort of algorithmic trading started happening. I'd like to look into why this chart ended up like this, but now it's back to normal. And it's got a buy signal. None of this is financial advice, by the way. Don't take financial advice from someone on YouTube. Yeah, everything got the sell signal except for ANKR, BEPRO, Luna. Solana got the sell signal. I'm patiently waiting for the... Actually, Solana is a larger cap. It's not something that I'm playing these moves on, but Mirror Protocol, ANKR Protocol. I don't know if I'll be getting into Elon. We'll see what happens. Phantom. It's not a super small cap, but it makes some good moves. Rally. I'm waiting for this buy signal because this is on an uptrend. This is a small cap. So these moves are quite large. Let's see. Wrong tool. Let's see. That was a 48% profit in 11 days. After an extremely volatile Coinbase listing. But we got the sell signal on Bitcoin as well. We dropped below 40K. It's not ideal. ETH is trying to come back up. I suspect ETH will get the buy signal before Bitcoin does. Let's see. Alright. So what I'm really waiting for is BEPRO to give me a sell signal. API 3 to give me a buy signal. Look at that wick down. Rally to give me a buy signal. ANKR to give me a buy signal. Actually, It's still on a buy signal. But I'm not entering at a dip like that. ANKR's a great protocol. That went up 100% in 12 days. That's what the small caps do. But it just came back down. I don't know why the ALGO wouldn't have had you sell 28% at 28% in at 30% in a day. I guess the algorithm thinks there's more gains coming. Or else that surely would have sparked a sell. I mean, right here is a good place to sell. And then here was another good place to sell. But it's historically accurate. They don't change these after the fact. So it detects the tops and the bottoms. It really does. Sometimes it's a little late. Like right here on this second candle. Missed that whole bar of gains, but it's not perfect. But it does predict it does predict the tops and bottoms greatly. And we are still coming down. So I want these low caps. Yeah, I can't believe there was no sell signal yet on ANKR. These low caps. These are both built on Terra, Luna, Mirror Protocol, and ANKR Protocol. Both great projects, low cap. They're gonna do well. I'm waiting for the buy signal on Mirror. As soon as that buy signal comes in, I'm executing my order. Waiting for the buy signal to get back in on Harmony. And there just should have been a sell here, or at least here. But apparently ALGO believes there's more gains coming unless we get a sell signal here soon. But you think we would have got one by now. It came down all the way past, you know, a previous wick. I'm thinking about getting into E-line once I see how it plays out. It has a buy signal, but it doesn't have much. It has a strange history. I need to look into it. Rally token. As soon as that thing, rally token is backed up. If you go to rally protocol or rally.com or rally protocol and try to sign up as a person of influence to that's what they do. They take people like Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, influencers. They get to sign up. I signed up. They said that the waiting list is, the demand is high and the waiting list is long, but they will send me an email when there's a spot available. I'm not sure I'm actually going to make myself a coin. I was just testing out the protocol because that's what I do. I test out new protocols. I go low cap gem hunting. That's Rally right here. Mirror, ANKR, API 3, BEPRO. And there's a lot of gains coming for Solana, Luna, Phantom, Harmony 1, Hex. Pulse Chain, bullish on Pulse Chain. I'm bullish on the Spark airdrop. I don't know if any of you guys remember the Spark airdrop from XRP, but I moved for the day of the snapshot. I moved my entire portfolio over to XRP just so that I get more Spark tokens. Just so that the snapshot shows me with a lot of XRP in my wallet. I actually made a profit on that trade because of the snapshot FOMO. I knew that was going to happen, so I bought a day or two early, maybe a week early, and made quite a good profit on that trade. And now, when Flare does release the Spark tokens, it's basically free money. Who knows what they're going to be worth? I'll just hold on to them. That's what you do in crypto. You don't look at these graphs like I'm looking at now and buy and sell based on an algorithm. You find the coins that you believe in and you hold on to them forever. But that being said, I do try to take opportunities when I see them. Sorry, I'm eating candy. So let's talk about Hex and how I went from debating Hex to being bullish on Hex. And let's talk about my name change. The channel's now called DeFi Diligence. I think it's suitable. I can always change it back to Crypto Lodge. The Telegram will always remain the Crypto Lodge. And where is this buy signal? It's mainly for Bitcoin. Oh, actually, Ethereum's driving the market right now. Where's the buy signal for Ethereum? That'll send buy signal. That'll set off a chain reaction of buy signals. You guys like this Bitcoin sign I got back there? You can't see it because it's too bright. But it's actually pretty cool. I think it's the same one Crypto Jeb has, and that disappointed me. I didn't realize I was purchasing the same one that Crypto Jeb has, but hey, it's cool. I just wish you could see the bee. It's like a lit up bee. But I know what I'm doing. I'm getting more LED lights, and I'm just gonna put a strip of LED lights around it so that it just illuminates the halogen glass without actually plugging it in, because the wire gets really hot. It might be the head that I'm using. In my experience, if you really want to make the big gains in crypto. You buy projects you believe in that seem like they have a lot of use cases, and you forget about them for a couple of years. At least a year. No buy signal on mirror, but it's coming back up. No buy signal on one, Harmony, but it's coming back up. No sell signal on ANKR. That's interesting to me. The buy signal on Elon. It's just going down back to the buy point. So the algo will wait until it is higher. And what is the market cap of Doge Elon? It's Doge Elon Mars. Elon. The market cap is 53 million, so that's pretty low cap. 49% of the max supply is in circulation. It has 100,000 million trillion 1 zillion. Am I reading that right? That's 100, that's 1,000, that's million, that's billion, that's trillion, that's zillion. And there's 486 billion in circulation. Okay. Let's look at holders. See if it's all concentrated at the top. Let's see, the top wallet holds 43% of the supply. That might be the rest of the, that might be the reserve. And then the next person holds 10%. That's quite a bit. There's some pretty big whales. But that's expected for a new crypto. Let's look at this website. It should be pretty fun. Of course, there's no GitHub. It's a Safe Moon fork, probably. %, of token supply burned to Vitalik as a gesture of peace. Yeah, Shiba did that. %, of token supply permanently locked in Uniswap liquidity pool. That's why there's 49% in circulation. That 43 is the Uniswap liquidity pool. Okay. Locked forever. This ensures there's no way to remove any starting liquidity from the Uniswap pool, therefore removing any possibility of initial liquidity drawdown by the devs. Dear Earth citizens, as you may know, I have dedicated my life to ensuring that humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. Think of Doge Elon as a fair universal currency for the people everywhere. It is not a meme currency like Doge, Shiba, or Cardano. This is a real project that will be constantly evolving and that begins with undoing the damage done by scammers, schemers, and bad actors. You may also have some questions. Of course we do. Was there a pre-sale? No, as I mentioned, it is a fair universal currency. There was no pre-sale. No one has tokens besides Vitalik Buterin. I sent half to him as a thank you. What do you mean no one has tokens? The price is going up. People are buying it. We're going to get it on Uniswap. So how does no one have tokens? What are the tokenomics? 1 zillion Elon were created. 50% were sent to Vitalik. 50% were permanently locked on Ether or Uniswap. The community is encouraged to airdrop Dogelon tokens to victims of rugs and scams. It's important to give back and build community trust. If 50% went to Vitalik and 50% is permanently locked with Ether on Uniswap, I guess that's where you buy it from. But that means 50%, I don't know. I got rug. Do I get an airdrop? I leave this up to the community to determine. Otherwise, people will just be getting rug to get some Dogelon. I expect this currency will be more coveted than not just Ethereum, but also Dogecoin, which I shall from this day forward be referring to as test dog. Are you really Elon? Yes, my name is Elon. What if this is actually Elon Musk? They said they were working on Dogecoin upgrade, so that might be it. Waiting patiently for this these buys to come back, but just doesn't look like it's happening. BEPRO didn't put in a sell yet. Luna didn't put in a sell yet. Solana didn't put in a buy yet. Oh well, hodl. Pick the good coins you love and hodl them forever. Cherish them. My name's Jesse. I'm a DeFi, cryptocurrency, blockchain developer and advocate. I sift through all the great projects and I bring them straight to you on this channel. DeFi Diligence. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and watch my future videos. I don't expect you to look back into the past ones. End of transmission. But you should look at the past ones. Some will probably pop up at the end of this video.